feel like I'm far away. I hope you guys can hear me, but after watching what I recorded yesterday, it wasn't long enough, so I'm gonna really walk you through each step of pouring acrylic paint and getting, you know, your desired outcome. Okay, so I have these leftover solo cups, and I have just bought some of these at the dollar store. So first, we're actually gonna move this, like, out of the way. Okay, so the first thing that I recommend getting is a, like, tablecloth, and I literally got mine at Walmart for 99 cents, and it's still here, it's still working. So I'm going to take the lids off of all of these paints. Alright, so I have all of the lids off. Do I have enough cups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, yes. Okay, the thing that I learned yesterday is that when you think you have enough paint, you probably don't. And I'm just like pouring it into the cup like that. Here, pour, pour, pour. Oh, wow. That, you know, that's probably because I poured it back in here yesterday. Because I didn't want to waste it. And it already had the, like, silicone and all of that in it. So, that's fun. So now that I have all of the paints poured, I'm gonna go ahead and be careful. I'm gonna take these sticks, these like linen sticks that I got at Walmart. I'm gonna pop one into each cup, just so I can mix my ingredients. So now I'm gonna add in some pouring medium, and this was $7.99, but Michael's is doing 20% off right now, so it was like $5 something. And so far it's lasted me through 3 paintings, but I got another one today. And I don't really know how much to put in. I don't think that you need a lot. It just kind of helps it with the consistency. And it adds gloss, and it's water resistant after it's dry. Oh, that's really cool. I didn't even... Wow. I am just doing a little squirt into each of these, and I know the white already has some in it, so I'm gonna go easy on it. Now I'm gonna add some silicone. I really hope that the light stays so I can do this painting for you guys. Some silicone oil, and this was about $5 at Michael's. Also really not sure how much of this to put in to each color, but I'm just gonna do like 5 drops. And only 3 in the white, because again, I know that I already have the products in the white. And I'm just gonna use my sticks to mix. So I would not recommend reusing paint or like pouring it in. Well, okay, like I guess you can. We'll see how it looks when it pours. And then I'll have a final answer for you guys. There's like, okay, yeah, I have to take this out. Like, that's not good. I just don't know where to put it. On the table, I guess. Because that is not gonna pour pretty on the canvas. If you guys are interested in me trying other art craft type things, let me know, because I like doing these things. I think it's really relaxing, and it's good for the brain. It's good for your mental health. That's what it looks like pre-mix. I just kind of like stuck it all on the side there. It's literally supposed to rain in like, I don't know what time it is, but it said 5 and it was 4:40. I actually think the clock says 5:25 and it's not raining. Nice. God is on my side today. There was a bug on my ear. Okay. Now that we're done with that ratchetness, I'm gonna go grab my gloves before I do this part. Okay, so I just like bought some reusable gloves at the dollar store because I feel like this would be better than buying gloves all the time, especially if I do make more paintings. I'm just going to pour all of the contents into this cup. There we go. Okay. I'm even gonna move it a little more this way. And I'm gonna move you guys back a bit. Perfect. Okay, now that we've spent 20 minutes with position, so this is what the paint looks like inside the cup. And we are just going to pour it all over the canvas. Hopefully it doesn't make too big of a mess. Oh my god, this is gonna be beautiful. Look at the inside of the cup. Gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm going to take some of the leftover white and I'm going to just a little bit. Yesterday I learned that I really don't need a lot for this. Oops. I just need it to help fill in the empty spaces. Like here. And then you don't want to wait too long with like tipping it and stuff like that, because the paint gets harder slash like, I don't know, it gets harder to move the slower you work. That should make sense though, right? Oh my god, this is gonna look so dope. Oh my god, you guys, this is so pretty. Okay, so walking back outside, this like whole bit that's white, I want it to be less white. A little bit, it just looks too clean. So also, you want to make sure that you do the blowing early while it's still like pretty wet and it'll have time to like flatten back out. I made that mistake on my mom's and it just looks a little bit bumpy. My mom will still love it because she's my mom, but I wish that I paid attention or tried harder. everything torched. Tomorrow I'll show you guys the finished results when it's fully dried and everything. It's gonna be beautiful. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys try it yourself. If you guys have any requests for paintings, like with colors, like color requests, because this is pretty much the only thing that I can do, but I am going to try a different style of painting. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and don't be afraid to click that button down below, subscribe, become a member of my squad, give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Okay, so it's Isabel's birthday and she's opening her present. Here's the reaction.
Look at that, Mia. You made that yourself?
Yeah, that was the first one I ever made.
That's what matches.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. That's awesome.
Yay, I'm happy you like them. Yeah, the red one was the first one I ever made.